Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to customize the Wix product page. So the first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser. Then after that, you just have to log in to your Wix account. Okay, so just open a new tab and then type out wix.com. Alright, and then after that, you will be directed to your account. Okay, so to check your account, just simply click on this profile at the top right of your screen. Alright, and then you have here now your account settings. So right here, just go to the site section. Okay, and then you have here your sites. So the first thing that you should do here is you have to select the site that you want to customize, or the page where you want to customize the product page. So for example, this one, you just have to click on the select option. Okay, that's right. Then after that, you'd be able to see this dashboard. So here you have to set up your page or your site. All right, and then here you have your home page. Okay, now to visit the product page from this dashboard, just have to go to the catalog, and then you have here store products, and then you have here the products. So simply click on the products option. All right, so right here, just have to close this one. So here you have your products. Okay, so if you would like to add more products, you just have to simply click on this new product option. So for example, you would like to remove a specific product. Okay, for example, this one. You just have to select that product, and then you have these options at the top. So you just have to click on the delete option. Okay, and then click on delete. Okay, so here, to see the details of your product, just have to simply click on it. Okay, and then I just have to wait for a couple of seconds. Then here you have the full information of your product. So you have here the images and videos. So if you would like to add new images or updated images for this product, so simply click on this plus icon right here, and then you have your images and then videos. Then for the product information, we have here the basic info. So we have the name of the product. Then if we would like to include ribbons, so you have that right here. And then the description of the product. Then we also have additional info section. So you can share information like return policy or care instructions with your customers. And then of course, the pricing section. Okay, so once done, you just have to simply save this product. Okay, now if you would like to create new products, so simply click on this new product right here at the top, and then you have physical product, digital file, or print on demand. So I'm just going to select physical product. Okay, so after selecting the physical product, right here you have the product info again. So here you just have to give your product a name. Okay, so for example, new shoe. Okay, and then here to add images, just simply click on this one, and then you just have to upload your own media or use media from Wix. So for this video, I'm just going to use media from Wix. Okay, so I'm just going to select a random product. Okay, so for example, this one, just going to add this one to our page, and then we have here to add the basic information, and of course the price of this product. So for example, 200 pesos, and then click on save after that. Okay, so once done, you'll be able to see here now your product or the product that you have added to your site. All right, so now that you're here, let's go back to this section. So to customize your site from here, just have to click on this edit site option. Then once you're done, you will be directed to your website. So currently I'm just using the studio template. Okay, so once you're here to locate the pages of your site, you have that right here at the top left of your screen. So simply click on this one. That's right, and then you just have to scroll down, and then you have here now your product page. All right, so just wait for a couple of seconds, and then you'll be able to see here now your products. Okay, so right here we have now the product page. Okay, so at the top we can see here the different names or the different products that we have. So for example, I want to see this specific product. So be able to see that right here. So you have here the name of the product, we have the price, and then the quantity section, and then the add to cart and the buy now button, and the add to favorite. Okay, so if you would like to customize this one, so we have the background color, we have the buttons. So all we have to do is to go here at the left side. So we have here the background of our product page. Okay, so for the design, we have here the uh, the product name, the body tags, the secondary tags, and other details for this one. So I'm just going to proceed with the background color. So we have the fill color and opacity. So you just have to click on it, and then if you like to change it, just simply click on this button and then click on this one right here. So after that, you can just close this one. That's right. And then if you would like to adjust the border, okay, so you can also adjust this section, and then the width, we have that right here as well. Okay, so let's go back here. Let's close this one. And then if you'd like to add a shadow, so you have that right here. Okay, so let's go back here at the top. So we have here the body text and then the secondary text. So if you would like to customize this one, especially the style, so we have the options to do that. So just select your option and then click on the update styles option at the bottom. Okay, so you also have here the blend mode for the color. Okay, so you're just going to select normal, and then for the styles we have bold, we also have the italic and other options for our font. All right, so let's go back here and proceed to the next one. Now for the action buttons, when we say action buttons, we have that right here. So we have the add to cart, the buy now, and then the add to favorites. Okay, so if you'd like to customize the text, the borders, the shadows, the layout, and the icon, so you just have to go here. For example, I'm going to customize the icon. Okay, so I'm going to show the icon right here. Then of course we have to change the color of the button or the background color. All right, to highlight. So I'm just going to use this one and then close it after that. Now, if you would like to choose a layout for this one, okay, so once you are done customizing your product page, all you have to do is to click on the save option or the publish option at the top right of your screen, and then just simply click on save and continue. Okay, so let us try to preview our website. Okay, so when someone visits our site, this is how it's going to look like. So if they would like to, find other products, they just have to go here and then select the product that they want to buy. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.